Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your headphones Motorola Vervebuds 800. You have to start by put your headphones to the charging case and now close the case. Right here you should have not connected. And after that open the charging case. And now it should be connected here. Here we go. But now check it, maybe it help you, but if it doesn't, we should make a hard reset. So, put it to the charging case, and now we should turn off it first. So, press and hold this both multifunctional button until this LED light starts to be red. Here we go, we turn off it, now release your finger and press and hold again until this LED light starts to be purple. Here we go, now click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device and now we should see it as the device list, click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!